Hello, I'm currently walking to my Spanish final, and this is the first final of the finals that I'm taking. So yeah, I think it should be okay. So yeah, I also have this pimple forming, so you'll probably see it get worse throughout the week because I'll be stressed. Hello, so I just ate lunch and my final for Spanish went pretty well. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to the library and study. Hello, so it is around 4 o'clock and I'm meeting up with my club for our club social. So yeah, I'm walking down to the parking lot where they are at, and yeah, I feel like my studying wasn't super effective, but I did get some of my homework done, so that's good. But yeah, I don't know where we're going, but I will see you later. Hello, sorry the lighting is bad and that I forgot to record the whole day. It's around 8 right now and I am a family head. So we're doing a baking / matcha study night. So I have all the supplies that we need here. And yeah, I'm just waiting for my other family head so that we can walk up to the kitchen on like the hill together. So yeah, bye! It's Thursday and there's a lot of noise, so I hope you can hear me. But I have my Spanish final in about 15 minutes. I think it should go well. It's like she grades pretty leniently and yeah, I think I'm not worried about it. But I'm just gonna do some last minute studying. It's super foggy today. Like usually like it's not this bad, but it reminds me of home and I get to wear my puffer vest. So yeah. Today, after my final, I'm gonna probably grab something to eat, then study, and then head to my chem discussion, and then I'm gonna study with friends. And probably just study more after that, because I'm worried about all my other exams. So yeah, I will see you after. Hello, I'm back, and my Spanish final went pretty well. She'll probably grade it before the day ends, so I will let you know how I did. But yeah, I'm waiting for it to be 11 so I can use my meal swipe and go get food. It's so pretty right here. Hello. I keep forgetting to vlog, but I'm all done with my class. I'm meeting up with my friend to go study. And then I think I might head over to my friend's apartment to work on club stuff. I'm just waiting for my friend right now. And yeah, we're gonna go to Powell and study. Bye! I literally just got out of the shower, but I am here on the floor about to watch Rosé's album or Toxic Till the End music video, and I'm so excited. Hello, so it's Friday morning and I'm going to go get breakfast at Dinev and then probably go down to campus, study, go to class, probably grab lunch and then study more. So yeah. Here's my breakfast and I got this one first because I really like this from Dinev. And then I thought they had smoked salmon Benedict because that's what it said online, but it was this, and then I was already in line, so I had to get it. But it's like the same thing, so yeah. And I got fruit. So they did have the milk salmon Benedict. I just didn't see it. So yeah, here's the spread. I was just on Bruin Walk, and they were giving out free Fabletics. So yay! Yeah, right now I'm just hanging out with my friend from my club. And afterwards, I'm gonna go to class and then study. I'm currently listening to Rosé's album on repeat. And my favorite song is probably Toxic Till the End right now. But I'll let you know if it changes throughout the week. So yeah.
And you'll notice
So, it is Friday night, and I'm sorry I haven't really been vlogging. Today I got breakfast, and then I went down to campus and hung out with my friend, and then I went to class, and then I got lunch and studied, and then I went to my club's holiday party and helped set up, and that was like 4:30 to 8, so it took up a long part of my day, but that's okay. So yeah, I just finished showering. I need to eat still. And then I'm gonna lock in to later tonight. Also, I've been wearing this Hello Kitty sweater that I thrifted, and it's super comfy, so it's gonna be my locking in outfit for the week. But yeah, I have 4 more days until my chem final and 3 more days until my stats final, but I'm not sure how much I need to study for that. I feel like I haven't been vlogging that much because it is a bunch of studying and then that just gets boring. So I'm trying to film the more interesting things that are happening. But let me know if you want more just studying vlogs, or I can make a study with me. I don't wanna be tied down. I just wanna go for a ride now. I know I just stand up at her house, crashed on the bedroom floor and holding hands that I wish were yours for a while now. Standing on the wave, gonna wipe out. Light on in your room like a lighthouse that I can't turn off when I drive by late. But I don't stop, 'cause I know you don't want to see
What the dog doing?
Hello. So it's 7:45 and I'm walking down to my stats final. I don't think I'm gonna be late, but actually I left a little bit earlier, but I was eating my banana. But yeah, I will see you all after the exam. Hello. So I'm back at the dorms and I just finished my final and I think it went well overall. I did feel kind of sick and had to use the bathroom in the middle, but other than that, I think it went well. And yeah, he should grade it pretty quickly since it's a scan-shon. So yeah, now I think we're gonna go back to sleep and then eat lunch and then study for ochem. Bye. Hello. So I'm eating acai bowls with Yuna.
I'm also vlogging.
Oh. So yeah, we're just gonna eat and then study. Goodbye. This is my acai bowl. So I got almonds, mango, banana, and strawberry. And I would get granola, but I don't like the granola here on campus. So I get almonds instead. Hello, so it's Tuesday and it is the day of my chem exam and it's currently around 11 o'clock, so I'm gonna go get lunch at Brewing Cafe and probably study there if I can get a table. But I wanted to make myself a little matcha latte so I can stay motivated. So I'm gonna show you how I make my matcha lattes. Okay, please ignore how messy my desk is, but I like to use this matcha powder. It's a Marikyu Koyamen one, but I also enjoy using this one, which I got in Japan. But yeah, sometimes I use a combination of the two, and I think that's what I'm gonna do today. I do have a traditional like bamboo whisk, but I prefer to use my electric whisk because it's just easier, and also, I don't know, I'm lazy. I have my sift,
And I also don't have like a proper matcha scooper, but I think like a normal spoon works just as well. Okay, so this is the milk I'm using, and it's from the dining hall. I don't really measure out anything, but that's okay. So usually I just cold whisk it because I'm quite lazy. And then I have my matcha. I got this one in Japantown in SF right before I left for school. I think I'm gonna add some of the other one. I use the Tarani vanilla syrup for sweetener. I just, again, go in with how much I feel. That might have been too much, but whatever. Okay, and then I mix. You can definitely see the foam that the electric whisk created. And also, this is a La La Land cup. I just reuse my cups because I have a mug, but I want to take this to go. But yeah, definitely still see the sediments. So this is not the best one I've made, but it's still pretty good and it will do.
Hello. We just finished our chem exam. Yeah, finally. So yeah, we're walking back to the hill and then I'll go to sleep, or I'll pack and then go to sleep. So yeah. Bye. Hello. So I'm all packed up and I'm about to head over to the airport. And I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this video and look forward to more videos in 2025. But I'm also gonna be busy with school, so maybe, I don't know, we'll see. But I will do my best to try and upload more here, but I also do post more on my short form social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok, but I also post little vlogs on YouTube Shorts here. So go check that out if you want to, and remember to take care of yourselves, and I will see you all next video. Bye!